Because Donald Trump, the Dow right now is over $50,000. I don't know why you're laughing. You're a great stock trader, as I hear, Raskin.
Here's what you need to know about Pam Bondi getting fired as Attorney General. So Trump confirmed that news, calling Bondi, the Attorney General, quote, a great American patriot, as he kicked her out the door. So Deputy Attorney General Todd Blanche is now stepping in as acting Attorney General. Here's what's really interesting about that, and something that should ring alarm bells. Blanche is Trump's former personal attorney. He has literally defended him in criminal court against charges brought on by the Justice Department.
Is it possible your client could be in jail during the Republican National Convention?
It's possible. That's something that I don't want to think about. I don't think it's going to happen, but it's possible, of course.
And the leading candidate to permanently replace Bondi is none other than EPA Administrator and former Long Island Congressman Lee Zeldin, who has long been a Trump ally. So why did she get fired? Well, presenting Exhibit A, Epstein.
The DOJ may be releasing the list of Jeffrey Epstein's clients? Will that really happen?
It's sitting on my desk right now to review. That's been a directive by President Trump. I'm reviewing that. I'm reviewing JFK files, MLK files. That's all in the process of being reviewed because that was done at the directive of the president from all of these agencies.
So have you seen anything that you said, oh my gosh?
Not yet.
Trump was furious about how Bondi handled the Epstein files. Then came the white binders. Remember that? There were these MAGA influencers that were seen walking out of the White House with those binders, and then we later learned there was virtually no new information inside those. And then Republicans on the House Oversight Committee even started turning on the Trump administration in this regard, even subpoenaing her over possible mismanagement of the files. And frankly, it still might be surprising to some people that Bondi got fired because Trump came into his second term determined not to repeat the mistakes of the first term. You may remember there was rampant turnover the first go-around. Cabinet members who would leave disgruntled. They would turn on the Trump administration, some even writing tell-all books. I think John Bolton might be the poster child for that. And so this time around, he was very careful not to fire a lot of people that maybe he still didn't like. And even with Kristi Noem, I mean, she became reviled even among members of her own party. And still, yes, he fired her, but kept her close, gave her a landing pad inside the administration. And like I said, Bondi did everything she was asked to do and still lost her job. She oversaw the firing of scores of attorneys and FBI agents tied to Trump's criminal proceedings. She gutted the Civil Rights Division, and she reframed the entire department around investigating Trump's enemies. The Justice Department has traditionally been separate from the executive branch. Yes, it's in the executive branch, but it usually acts as a check on the rest of government. It's supposed to be an independent legal institution. Trump came in and did away with all that. He is filling this department with loyalists, and he did that with Pam Bondi. It's another case of Trump expecting and demanding loyalty, and him rarely returning the favor. I'm Derek Waller. Thanks for watching, and check out this story next.